Once you've defined a clear mission for yourself and your channel, then it's time to get your videos discovered to stand out from the crowd. YouTube is a visual platform. Viewers are coming here to watch videos. So often, they're choosing what to watch based on the thumbnails. So what makes a good eye-catching thumbnail? Let's take a look at an example. First, it's a custom thumbnail, not an automatically generated one. When you have a verified YouTube account that's in good standing, you'll get the ability to upload your own image as your thumbnail, rather than selecting a still from your video. This allows you to edit and improve your thumbnail image. And when you upload a custom image, it's important that it's high resolution, at least 1280 by 720 pixels. Viewers aren't likely to choose a video that has a blurry or distorted thumbnail. It doesn't set good expectations for the quality of your video. And when it comes to creating the thumbnail image itself, there are a few things that you can do to really make sure it's appealing and descriptive. In this video, Why Are Bad Words Bad?, Michael of Vsauce answers just that. So it makes sense that the close-up is of Michael in this censor bar. Remember that thumbnails appear all over YouTube and on all different devices, so they often show up in very different sizes. Clear, close-up images make sure that no matter what size your thumbnail appears in, it will be easy to understand. Complex images, such as fine or small text, becomes really difficult to read at smaller scales, like this. If you want to use text in your thumbnails, make sure it's clear and bold. High contrast images with lots of visual depth help to make sure your subject really pops. You can see in this image, if we reduce the contrast and flatten it down, it becomes really hard to understand what the video will be about. Also, it's a good idea to pick an image that's intriguing. Michael's expression is curious, and it draws you in. It makes you want to know more. A good test when designing thumbnails is to first show it to a friend that hasn't seen your video yet and ask, "Would you click this?" And finally, and most importantly, your thumbnail needs to actually describe your video. A thumbnail should never try to trick people or misrepresent what you're making just to get views. Not only is this a bad experience for your viewers, but in all likelihood, a viewer that's tricked into watching your video won't stick around, and you'll miss out on earning a potential fan.